Whoa! Did you hear that? Do you know what animal that is? Here's a clue. It starts with this letter. The letter C. Let's trace it together. Ready? Start at the top and make a big curve to the left and down. You did it! Nice work. Look at these animals. Can you find the one that starts with the letter C? Is it the alligator?
No!
Is it the bear?
No!
Is it the cow?
Yes!
That's right, it's the cow. Great job. Now let's learn to spell it out and clap the syllables. Ready? C-O-W. Cow. One more time. C-O-W. Cow. Nice work. Now let's clap it out. Ow. Cow. Ow. Cow. Great job. Look, there's a real cow. Isn't it amazing? Did you know cows are mammals, just like you and me? That means they have hair and drink milk when they're babies. Cows are found on farms all around the world. And guess what their favorite food is? Grass! They munch on it all day long. And here's something cool. Cows give us milk. We use that milk to make delicious things like cheese, butter, and yogurt. Yum! Cows have a super special stomach with 4 compartments. This helps them digest that yummy grass. It's like having 4 tiny tummies in one big belly. Wow, wasn't that fun learning about cows? I hope you enjoyed our adventure. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more exciting and fun learning adventures. Thanks for joining us, friends. See you next time. Bye!